StreetLife vlogs, episode number 10. We got an unveiling for y'all today. I ended up coming across a bike from a neighbor. Lived in, I think, SoCal, around the LA area. Rode the bike for a little bit. Kind of like moved out here. But when he moved out here, the bike sat for like a year. You know what I mean? I was just like racing, doing all type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Just like seeing a bike, I'm like, man, yummy gang, yummy gang, yummy gang. You know what I'm saying? I was like, man, I need that. I need that. You know what I mean? When the bike was sitting there, I knew, you know what I'm saying, it was mine. You know what I mean? I have a special little feeling sometimes about things, you know, when I look at it or whatever, I'll be like, man, that's me. You know? So I was looking at the bike, I was like, yeah, that's me. Long story short, I ended up getting the bike from him for a really good deal. If y'all can guess what it is right now, stop, pause the video, drop a comment down. I give you a hint, it's a Yamaha Street Fighter. So who guessed Yamaha FZ07? If you did, you was right. Here go the bike. Yamaha FZ07, it's a 2015. When I first got it, it was all stock. Since then, I put the full system, SC project on the bike. So one of the hardest things was getting this mirror off. This one came off pretty easy. I think it's like a 14 millimeter open end, but this one right here, I had a pry bar, big ass vice grips, all type of shit on there. I looked on the FZ07 form and it said it was right hand thread. Sure enough, hit the right hand thread and it came right. The bike still has, I guess they come stock with Pilot Power Road 4s on them. The tires still look pretty cool. They got some chicken strips on them though. Still, I don't know what we call that. I know we call these titties though. We got to get all that taken care of. You know, we're gonna remove that. But maybe episode 11 or 12, we'll start, you know, removing stuff, putting handlebars on. Also been looking and talking with some guys to get the FCR, like some full fairings for it. You know what I mean? Because I might end up making it like a practice bike. For my big bang, I call this one Lil Bang. I guess we call it Lil Bang. My ladies likes that. You know what I mean? So we're gonna call this one Lil Bang, and you know, possibly put some full fairings on it and see what it does on the track. But that's what he did. We can go ahead and start it up for y'all if y'all want to hear that SC project. Crazy loud. I think it might be a little bit louder than my other bike. She's loud, just a little bit, you know, maybe a little bit too much. They just kind of changed the California law, so you might want to be careful just a little bit. But yeah, that's the bike. Kind of episode 10 was just like an update as to, you know, what's going on. Bringing y'all into the new year. I still got the R1, got a bunch of little parts like that. So episode 11, we're getting a bunch of parts on the R1. I got a Graves eliminator for it, and I also got a auto tune. I also got auto tune for it, so we're gonna be hitting it with the auto tune. We're gonna hit it with the Graves eliminator. Probably put the Leo Vince pipe back on there, the Leo Vince setup back on there. I got the new racer school coming up in a couple weeks, and then we got our first week of racing in March 16th, I believe, at Willow. So yeah, we got a lot coming up. So yeah, just make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we're gonna keep this thing moving. But I'm gonna leave y'all with a couple shots of the bike. Let me know what y'all think.